everyone, and welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. Today we're going to be making a super fun, breathable dragon, and that's going along with Miss Nuccia's book, Dragons Eat Noodles, on today, Tuesday. So we're going to be making a dragon, fire-breathing dragon. All you're going to need is paper or toilet paper tube and some tissue paper. Now, if you don't have tissue paper, colored paper will work, but for the fire breathing aspect, you're going to want something lightweight. So go find your supplies and let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pick your dragon color. I'm going to use green. Obviously, I had some Christmas paper, so I'm using my tissue paper, some old tissue paper. And I don't need this much. I'm not going to do a double layer. I'm going to mark out one layer. So I'm going to take, and I'm just going to cut it right away. If you put a little extra, that's okay. It's like you're wrapping a gift. I'm going to roll it and see how much you need, because we don't want to waste. It can overlap a little bit. And now all this green can be put back away, or you could make another dinosaur. Depends how many tissue paper rolls or toilet paper rolls you have. Now we're going to take our glue, and you could either use tape, a glue stick, wet glue, whatever you have. We're going to run one line on it, and we're going to let this wrap up, and we're going to roll towards that line. There we go, and you can just press with your fingers for about 3 seconds. So now we have the start of our dragon. So I'm going to be using these as my eyes, and I'm going to be attaching my googly eyes onto here. But if you don't have pom-poms or googly eyes, we can just take a white piece of paper and draw on some eyes, or even take a marker and draw on eyes. So if you don't have googly eyes, that's okay. I'm also going to be using these pom-poms as his nostrils. But again, you know what? I don't even like, now that I look at them, they're so big compared to the eyes. I'm actually going to just draw on my nostrils, and I'm going to do that right away. Do little black circles as the nostrils. If you have tinier green pom-poms that you'd like to put there, go ahead. Now, before we do the eyes, we're going to be doing our strips of paper to make it a fire-breathing dragon. And we're just going to be cutting strips. They don't have to be really long, maybe about 6 to 8 inches. And it's okay if your paper is super crumpled. These lines don't have to be super big. They can be about 1 inch wide to 2 inches wide. And I'm doing a variety of widths. And we're going to be taping these inside the inside of the toilet paper tube. Stop there. If I need more, I can always cut more later. Folding this up, putting that away. And now we're going to take, and we're going to put a little bit of glue on the end of our paper, and we're going to press it onto the toilet paper tube. And we're going to rotate our toilet paper tube around as we go. Make sure you're putting the sticky side down onto the toilet paper tube. They can overlap. So I'm putting them on top of each other. If you had more than red, if you had yellow and orange, you could totally put all the colors, all the fire colors you have. And just let you know, the reason we say that fire colors, yellow, orange, red, those are hot colors or warm colors in art. They're colors that make you think of being warm. And the cool colors are blue, green, and purple. I forgot for a second. See, it's really good to review. Even if you knew these things, it's so good to always review. And we're going to put, look at that, I did that almost perfectly. I'm going to put the last one in. There we go. We got the start of our fire breathing. Now we're gonna bring these eyes back and we're gonna glue them onto our pom-poms. Now remember, you could just draw them on, that would be so cute too. Just a little bit of glue and they get stuck on there pretty nice. Doesn't matter where you put them on. And then I'm gonna put the glue onto my dragon. That way I can kind of look at it and make sure I'm putting it where I want it. Otherwise it's a little hard to control. And I'm gonna push, I might push more than just 3 seconds. Want to make sure it stays on. Maybe hold on your eye too, you want to make sure it doesn't fall off. Wet glue I think is better for pom-poms, but I don't have any, so I'm using my stick. But once it gets on, it'll be stuck pretty good. Oh, look at that. And let's see if he breathes fire. So you're gonna put your mouth up to this end. Yeah, he works pretty good. So I hope you have fun. Look how cute our little fire breathing dragon is. Oh, how scary. So I hope you had fun making your fire breathing dragon. Hopefully yours works. Give you some lung power. It looks so cute. So please let me know if you enjoyed it. Hit the like button if you did. Comment below how yours turned out. What color dragon did you make? What color flames did you make? And let me know what you'd like to see in the future. And lastly, hit that subscribe button so you get notified every Tuesday and Thursday. And last, I know I've said and so many times, but please make sure you listen to Miss Nuccia's story time about why dragons eat noodles on Tuesday. You could have your little fire breathing dragon with you while you're listening to the story, and it's gonna be so much fun. So make sure you listen to that, make our little dragon, and I hope to see you next time for Art with Miss Choate. Bye.